Hey guys, welcome back to Displacement Garage. It's Carissa here, and I have a little shop update for you guys. We've got a lot of projects moving around right now, and some fun things I can't wait to share with you all. First up, we purchased Hasty's Posh truck, and it is now in the shop. It's a 2006 Silverado. We've named it Green Bean. We're going to be giving it the love and attention it deserves, and I'll keep y'all posted as that project comes further along. For right now, we have started the detailing process. So if you guys have been following along for a minute, you guys know I just picked up a 2025 Ecoboost Mustang in Grabber Blue, aka Blucifer. I've been driving it around and I'm falling more in love with it every single day. It's got the new tech, the turbo 4-cylinder punch, and honestly it's a whole different kind of fun compared to my other rides. Of course, we've got my Nana's Mustang, aka Mustang Houdini. He's a 2000 Mustang GT, and right now we're in the middle of some much needed maintenance. Fuel pump swap, oil change, new fuel filter, just making sure he's healthy to get back on the road again. We've already ordered a fresh set of tires for him, and once those are back on, he'll be on the road in full project mode so he can hit the paint booth. I've only ever drag raced Houdini and done some late night Mexico pulls with him. But this year, I really want to push him in a new direction. My goal is to get him out to at least one autocross event before winter, just to test his skills in something that I love, but I never got to take him to yet. I think it's going to be a blast. So that's where we're at. Silverado is in the shop getting detailed and some minor adjustments made. Blucifer is being driven on the streets, and Mustang Houdini is getting revived for one last big adventure before winter sets in. Stick around because it's going to be really busy around here. Shop season is in full swing and you don't want to miss what's next. Thanks for hanging out with us at Displacement Garage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment if you're excited to see Houdini back on the road, and all of your Displacement Garage merchandise is available at displacementgarage.com. Don't forget to keep it fast and keep it fun. I'll see you guys later. Bye!